Estimate 18% of 40. There are a few different ways to estimate this. So let's start by saying that 18% is about 20%. The reason we pick 20% is because it's a multiple of 10 and it's easy to figure out percents that way. So 20% of 40 can be a good estimate of 18% of 40. So let's take a look. Now there are a couple different ways to do this. One way is you could just say, well, 0.2, because that's 20%, times 40, and then multiply the 40 times 0.2. And you get 8.0. So you could say that 18% of 40 is about 8. And another way you could do it is you could take your 40 and figure, okay, well, if I'm doing 20%, that equals 10% plus 10%. And if you want to do 10% of 40, you just move the decimal point over once. So then you could say that 20% of 40 is going to be 10% of 40 plus 10% of 40, or 4 plus 4. So you still get an estimate of 8, but it's two different ways to figure out the 20%. So let's see, what is the actual percentage? You can use a calculator for that. I just want to kind of compare. So 18% is 0.18 when it's unitized, and then times 40. Let's see, 7.2. So we were estimating 8, 7.2. We're less than 1 off, so that is a pretty good estimate. Let's stick with 8 as our estimate for 18% of 40.